everyone, I'm Nikhil here. Now in this video I'm going to show you a project which is going to compress images using Java programming. I've also created a UI for this, so let me quickly show that to you. So I've converted this jar to exe. I've also made a video on how to create this particular thing, so I will leave a link in the description below. I'm opening this one now. So here we are having few options. The first is the mode. We can select single image compression or multi-image compression modes over here, and if we click on any one of these modes, here in the status bar you can see that update. Let me select the single image mode compression for now, and here we can select the quality of the compressions. We are having 3 presets: low, normal and high, but always you can change this manually. If you want to have like 1956 or something like that, you can do that, but for now let me select this high quality compression. And if I click on this button, it will show you source and destination selection buttons. So if I click on source of the one of the images that I have over here, so let me quickly go into downloads, project. I have kept some photos over here. Let me select this image and let me copy this and paste this over here, and I'm selecting the directory as the same path. If I click on OK over here, and if I click this compress button, big button, the compression is complete, as you can see. Let's go to that particular folder and see how's that looking. So here, as you can see, this image is now compressed, which is having string attached saying like compressed with JIC. And let's compare the sizes before and after. Before it was like almost 1 MB, but after compression you can see it's 294 KB. So this is how the single compression is going to work. Let me also show you multiple compression or the multi-image compression mode. Let's copy the same thing, remove this, and let's select the destination path also. Downloads, project, images. This is compressed folder I have created. We are having nothing over here, as you can see. And if I click on the select folder and click on OK, compress, this is going to show you the status also, like how many images successfully completed the compression and all. So if I click OK over here, it is saying like 6 images compressed successfully. As you can see, here we are having the 6 compressed images, and let's compare the size of both of them. Before it was like 2.60 MB. After compression it's almost like 1.11. So this is how this particular thing is going to work. And if you want less quality, you can go to normal or low, or you can select something manually, the width of the image. So now let me quickly show you how the code of this particular project is working. Let me go to this VS Code, and as you can see, these are the imports of this particular project, and all are inbuilt. You don't want to go anywhere else. If you download the Java 8, that's going to be more than enough. And here I'm instantiating an anonymous object to run the Java Swing UI. Let's minimize this, and if you go to the actual implementation or actual class of this particular image compressor, here I've defined all the frames, radio buttons and over here. You can quickly look into that. I'm not going to explain like each and everything, so I'm going to quickly jump to the compression logic part. So for that, if you scroll all the way over here, this is the compressor class, which is a nested class, and here you can see what we are doing is basically shrinking the size of the image to make it small. That's what we are doing. That's compression is mostly. So that's what we are doing over here, and after that we are saving with this particular label attached to that saying it is compressed with JIC. So that's pretty much it. and I will be giving the GitHub link in the description. You can go over the code and see like how this particular thing is working. So yeah, that's it for now guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Subscribe if you like to watch more videos like this. If you like this video, click the like button, and thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.